ego. Horses hate 1,000 umbrellas or one umbrella. That's very spooky for a horse. You have to be empathetic. You have to understand what the horse thinks. What is the horse thinking? My reaction when the horse contracts were in my hands. My reaction, I had to be taught this, when the horse retracts is up. And what puts the horse's head down is the inside leg. To get softness, suppleness, contentment with a horse. Tact people's feel. Tact is wait for the horse. Because once you have temper, you won't ever have feel. You won't ever have feel if you have temper. Educate the horse here to half pass. Don't force him, show him your leg aids. It is like these young boys to pick up what they see. What else did you see with your horse? I hate giving him back. I deserve this horse. You don't deserve him, I deserve him. What did you see over here? Patience. Do you have patience? No. I'm glad. Well, that's a big first step. Big first step. He admits it. Watch people how you hold the rein. There's not a twist here in the rein. That is perfectly smooth and flat through your little finger and third finger. There's not this twist like that I see a great deal, always have here in the rein. That's not the correct way to hold the rein. Oh, I hate giving him this horse back. And that one I hated giving back, to be honest.